How to use Infinityfree for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be going over Infinityfree and I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial about this website. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to this website called infinityfree.net. Now once you're over here, all you have to do is just simply sign up. So to sign up, just simply click on the sign up button over here. As you can see, simply click on sign up now. And over here, all you have to do is enter in the email address, the password, and confirm it, and then agree to their terms and services, and then just simply clear the reCAPTCHA and click on create a new account. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this, and I will catch you guys in the next step. And once you have created an account, all you have to do is just verify that email address, and then we can go ahead and move on with the tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and verify my account, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. And once you have verified your account, as you can see over here, your email address has been verified, and now you can create your hosting account. So down below, as you can see, no accounts yet, and we can go ahead and create an account over here. We can create our hosting account by clicking on this button. But before we do that, let's just go over all of the features that this website provides, as this is a tutorial. So let's just click on home, and over here you will have all the accounts that you will need. As you can see, you can have 3 accounts as of right now, but right now no account has been activated. So let's just go ahead and create an account for now. So click on create a new account, and over here you have the option of choosing a domain name, then enter the additional information, and then just step 3, it's done. And then down below you have domain type. So you have 2 types, subdomain and custom domain. So if you have your own custom domain, you can just simply click on it and add in your own custom domain name. Or if you want a subdomain, just simply add in your name dot, and after that the subdomain will be in .infinityfreeapps.com. So I'm going to keep it subdomain because custom domains they cost a lot of money. So for now, let's just keep it free and subdomain. So right now, let's just add in our names. Let's just search for the domains if it's available, and it was available. Now what we have to do is we have to enter in a password, and over here, as you can see, account username, it will be generated automatically, so you don't have to worry about that as well. So let's just enter in a password, and as you can see, our domain has been created, and this is going to be our username over here. And once you have that, it's basically done. Now over here, step 3 is done. We can go ahead and open our control panel, and we can also view our client area as well. So over here, it's saying us that it is redirecting us to the control panel, and if it doesn't redirect us to the control panel, all we have to do is click on this button and we'll be redirected. In the meantime, this is our client manager. So over here we have our username, then we have our password, and then in the status, as you can see, they're still setting up our account, and it'll take a couple of minutes, and once it's done that, our account will be created, and then we can move on. So that is that. And then we have our file manager over here. We can use it to upload different files onto our website and stuff like that. And as you can see, it's still not loaded up yet, so let me just continue it. And as you can see over here, it's asking us to approve. Let's just simply click on approve, and then now we are going to be redirected over to our control panel. So this is the control panel, and over here what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a website. So over here, as you can see, we have a lot of different options. We have preferences, files, databases, domains, emails, metrics, security, software, advanced, and we have support as well. So we have a lot of different options over here, and this is really going to help us on how we can use Infinityfree to create our website and host the domains as well. So to actually install a website, we need to have an application that we need to install on our account, which is called a WordPress. Now to install WordPress, all we have to do is scroll down, and over here underneath software, we will have Softaculous app installer. So simply click on it, and it'll redirect us over to this website where we can install scripts and stuff like that, where we can find different applications. And over here we'll find the WordPress application, and we'll simply install it, and then we can move on with the next part of this video. So just wait a couple of seconds because it's loading up all the applications, so it'll take time. As I said, it's loading up quite a lot of information, so let's just wait for a little bit. So as you can see, the website has loaded up, and over here I searched for WordPress, and this has come up. So to install it, all you have to do is just simply click on install now, or you can come over here and click on install over here at the top, and then over here just choose the domain that you want, and then just simply click on quick install. And before you do quick install this software, make sure you scroll down, and over here in admin username, you set your username and password, and remember them because they are going to be really important in setting up our site. And then once you have like done everything, just scroll down below and click on install. So as you can see, it's checking the submitted data, and it'll take about 3 to 4 minutes to install. And once it's installed, we can go ahead and start hosting and move on with the video. So as you can see, it's installed. Congratulations, the software has been installed. So over here, if you click on this website, and over here if you click on this link, this is how the website looks like. Now as you can see, it's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, nothing's really going on over here. Now what if you wanted to, edit it? So to edit it, all you have to do is just click on the administrative URL, and over here, once you've entered in the administrative URL, you will be able to customize a lot of things of this website. You can change the background, you can add different images, change text, fonts, and stuff like that. And that's how it basically is. So once you've clicked on this link, the website will look something like this. It'll redirect you to the admin settings of the website, and over here you can customize your website as well, and you can add in some titles, add in content, you can add more pages and stuff like that. You can add in more boxes over here as well if you want to have some more stuff. You can write your article, add an about page, set up your home page. You can even view your website. You can even manage some widget, manage menus, turn comments on and off and stuff like that. Like basically all the administrative settings that you could possibly have asked for are going to be available to you over here. Now what we can do is we can edit this out. So how do we edit it? So back over here in the administrative web page, over here on left side, you will see we have a couple of different options. We have posts, media, pages, and stuff like that. And then down below we have appearances. Now over here we can customize, we can change the widgets, menus, backgrounds, and stuff like that. And we even have a theme editor as well, so we can edit themes. So let's just click on themes and choose a theme that we like. So over here right now, this is the theme that is active right now. So we can add in more themes by clicking on this button over here, but let's just select this one over here. Let's just simply activate it, and once we've activated the theme, it'll load up and we can start editing it and stuff like that. And we also have plugins. We can install more plugins, and we can even edit the current plugins that we already have. And then down below we have users, tools, settings, and stuff like that. So these are all the basic things that we really needed to know about this software and stuff like that. So let's just wait a couple of seconds for the theme to load up. So while it loads up, let's just check out more themes as well. So if I click on add new themes, it'll take us to this home page over here where we can have all the themes that we want. So as you can see, this theme has been activated right now, and if we go over onto the website and view it, so let's just click on dashboard over here, and let's just click on view our site. And over here, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, the theme has completely changed. Before it was more bland, it was green, it was just one color. Now we have different colors, we have different fonts as well. Now to edit this theme, all you have to do is just simply click on customize your website, and you'll be able to customize everything about your website. Now if this theme isn't to your liking, as I said before, this is the theme manager over here. We have a lot of different themes. We can go ahead and install these themes onto our WordPress, and then these themes will be available to us as well. So as you can see, we have a lot of different themes. They're all really beautiful, and they look really nice as well. So it's pretty cool. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how you basically use Infinityfree to host websites and to create different websites as well. So having said that, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.